morning. Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to do 2 bloom tiles, and we are going to use Liquitex Basics Prism Violet, Primary Elements, Midori Melon. Here they are. They're gorgeous. We're going to use this and a white topper in one of them, and we're going to use these 2 with gold also, which is the Arteza gold. So we are ready to go. Let's get the pillow paint down. I'm ready to see how these color combination goes. I want to see it with just the purple and the green, but I thought, you know, the gold might look really good with this too, so might as well try it. Just popping a few bubbles here and there so they don't cause me trouble later. I need a little bit more paint. All right. All right, I'm going to do purple and then green and then purple. Put a nice size dollop of paint on there. So I want it to slide easily, and I want it to have a lot of color. So once more with the purple. And then the topper. All right. All right, as you go, just pop the bubbles if you see them. That's a clump. That is not a bubble. That is not good. So glad I saw that. Try to, yeah, I don't know what the deal is. Try to look at your paint and make sure everything's kosher. It's not good. Okay. Well, topper's been sitting there for a while, so let's go ahead and put a little bit more. Okay. So you're wanting to blow down and out. So just gently making the colors glide across the white. I mean the pillow. Making sure the colors glide across the white pillow paint. And you want this white topper to glide across the colors. So let's get a little combo there. Wow. That is really pretty so far. All right, so I'm going to set it down and we're going to wait a couple of minutes for it to rise back up to the top, and then we will tilt. All right, it is looking so pretty and it is ready to tilt. Yeah, I took a break from the blooms for a little while. I had done so many getting ready for Christmas, and almost all my tiles are gone. So after having a break, now I'm ready to get back at it. And it is so fun. I've forgotten how much fun I have doing it. just tilting it off the corners and the side. Bringing it back to the middle. And after you get the weight back in the middle, you can go one direction or the other. I'm going to go this way first. I just put a little bit of extra paint on the corner to help pull it off smoother and faster. So just going to tilt this till it goes all the way off the corner. You can help it along with your finger because that actually does help. And then rotate it, shift the weight back to the middle, and then we're going to go up. All right, I lost you guys for a second. I hope I didn't lose much. I don't think I did. All right, now we're going to go off this final corner. Okay, now I'm going to take it back to the middle. It's slippery. Be very careful with it because you do not want a tragedy to happen. So now we need to shift all this center part back to the middle, and then we are done. There it is. And after we make the gold one, then we will come in for close-ups. Okay, I was having a little trouble with my camera. So I think I've got it fixed now. Now let's get the second one going. Making sure my pillow is nice and thick. That helps the color glide better. So let's see. Let's do green, then purple, then gold. How about that? All right, so when you're doing this, when you put the pillow paint down, you should pretty much blow immediately after that. Don't put it down and just leave it sitting because it sinks and then it does not float across the colors. So that would not be good. All right. Let's see a couple bubbles. Dang it. There we go. All right. All right. How's that? Looks pretty, doesn't it? All right, we're going to give it a minute to rise up to the top. When I do my tiles, I try to blow them, the actual points, toward the corner because it makes it easier to get it off without ruining the pattern. So just something to think about. That's how I do it. You can do it however you want. Different people do it different ways, but I found that's what works better for me. So I think I'm going to go this way first. Shifting it all back to the middle. So now I'm going to go off this way. Okay, so I have found that when I use the gold, sometimes when I'm actually making the tiles and actually making the blooms, the colors don't look as vibrant, or it doesn't look like it's going to be as pretty as it was without it. But when it dries, then the gold like shimmers and looks really, really gorgeous. So we will see how it turns out. I could have possibly used a little more purple, but I still think this one's going to be gorgeous. All this lacing right in here with the gold and the purple and the green. One more corner. All right, this went fast and easy today. Shift it back to the middle. Wow, that is stunning. What do you guys think? All right. I'm gonna wipe off the bottom edges so it doesn't pull all my paint off, and I will set this down and bring you in for a close-up. Okay, here are some close-ups. Here's the first one we did. Look at all that lacing. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So there's that one. Here's the second one, where we put the green down first and then the gold on top of the purple. See how predominant the green is because it's on bottom. So there's the difference between what color is predominant is the order of the paint that you put down. So anyway, look at the gorgeous cells or lacing. Incredible lacing. I love both of these. They're both so different from each other. Well guys, thanks for watching. I am happy to be doing blooms. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.